इंटरनेट जसजशें वाडत वता तसतशे ताचे परिणामय वाडत वतात. गोंयांत सायबर गुन्यांवांची भिरांकूळ पातळी दिसपाक लागल्या. त्याचो परिणाम भुरगीं आनी जाणटे दोगांचेरय जाता. ह्या विशयाचेर जागृताय करपाच्या हेतान पणजेच्या सायबर वेलनस सेंटरान विद्यार्थ्यां खातीर चित्रकला सर्त घडोवन हाडली. सायबर गुन्यांव उणो करपाक मजत करपी लोकां कडल्यान घेतिल्ल्यो कांय सुचोवण्यो हांगा दिल्यात. पळयात.
How many, what is the preferred mobile app that you guys are using? Instagram, Snapchat. How many of you use Snapchat? No, Snapchat is a safe app to use. There's nothing to hide about it.
You ask the other way, how many are not using it?
Okay, how many of you are not using Snapchat? Yes, I think this is the more intelligent way to find out. Yes. So, people who are using Snapchat, when you send a photograph, do you think that photo is only available to be viewed once? How many of you think so? So, I mean, a connected point here is anything that goes on the internet has a very long memory. It can and it does exist in some form or the other over the internet. If you upload a photograph and you may think that you have deleted it, but you don't really delete it. It does not get deleted. It gets stored either in some backup server or it is shared on a different platform from where you cannot delete. Let's say I upload a photograph and my privacy settings are open for all. Somebody can share it. And if I delete my photograph, it does not guarantee that the other person will delete that as well. So anything we are sharing on the internet that has almost a permanent memory. So we should be careful about what we are sharing. Next, I mean, this is very common. I think all of us might have done it at some point of time. How many of you have created a fake profile of a friend just for a prank? None of you have created a fake profile ever. So some of you are smiling. I guess you have created so. So let's be clear that creating someone's identity over the internet is a punishable offense. It's punishable with 3 years of imprisonment. So it's not a joke that you create a fake profile of any of your friends. It's not for fun.
Please remember that there is a cyber wellness center in Panjim in Goa. Whatever cyber distress you are facing, you are losing money or you are facing any cyber crime online, or there is a dependency on gadgets, children are using mobile phones more, or playing games, we are there to help you. There is a free of cost counseling available at this center. So please do visit at center. There is a helpline also, 7353107353. You can call on this helpline number and please do visit for this exhibition.
GOA365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिक्स, शुभाशीष गोवेकार आणि शिवानी सांगेलकार.